Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to log in into your Shopify admin, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify website right here, and you want to go into shopify.com, and then you want to click on login, obviously right here. So you can click on login, and then from here you can provide your login details. So this would be the main step for this one, but as you can see, I am automatically logged in because I've been using this one. But in your case, it should be when you click on login, you would need to provide your login details right here, like your email, and you also have your other methods right here: Apple, Facebook, and Google, and so on. In my case, I'll just provide my email right here. So now all I have to do is click on this one, since I have this password manager, and click on continue with email once you have provided with email, and then provide your password and so on. And then from here, if you only have one store, then you would be automatically redirected to that store. But if not, if you have multiple stores, then you will be redirected to the choices on which store you would like to open. And then the next one, or the next method or alternative method that you can do this, is you can go into your online store right here and go to your online store link. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on view your store, and this is my store link right here, or URL, and all I have to do is go and type /admin right here. And then from there, when you do that, then you would be redirected here. But since I'm currently logged in, it would be like that. What I need to do now is I'm gonna go click on logout and type on admin again. And then this is how it should show up right here. You would need to provide your login details right here in order for you to get into your login panel or admin panel right here in Shopify. And just like that, you are now right here in your admin in Shopify. So those are basically the two ways that you can log in into your Shopify admin. But if in any case you are still experiencing issues or errors into getting into the Shopify website, or maybe your Shopify admin right here, then you can contact the Shopify customer support. And then from there, they will be able to help you on how you can resolve your problem. But yeah, those are basically the ways. And from here, you can click on the orders, drafts, your products, and so on, and then you can customize your store right here in Shopify. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.